I'll share all of my custom brush QR code later at the end of the video. So all you just gotta watch an ad, which is really fast. I'm patient, so it's easy. With the sketch complete, it's time to add the base colors. I typically choose a mid-tone color for the hair and black it in with a large brush for efficient shading. Also, when I use references, always simplify it by looking at the character silhouette and the shapes of the character. Here's an example. It's obviously bull, but story. Anyways, I lowered the opacity if I want to make it look more transparent and kind of look soft. Remember, we'll be refining the details later, so don't worry too much about precision at this stage. I added a lighter color here to emphasize where the light is going to hit and add a highlight later. I'll switch to a lighter color and start painting the areas that catch the light. I'll add another shadow later inside the shadow, and it's called ambient occlusion. I'll be doing 2 sample practice first, and later I will demonstrate how I do it on a finished illustration featuring Jennie. Remember that hair isn't a flat surface, so we want to create dimension and depth. Just a quick question, do you guys prefer me doing voiceover, or you guys are okay with the subtitles and just reading it? Let me know in the comments later. First, I black out the big shapes, then I put some tiny strands after. Although I usually do the detailing last when everything looks done. Also, you guys should keep in mind where the direction and the flow of the hair when painting it. Here's what happens when you don't know where the direction and the flow of the hair. See, what the heck are those highlights? So this is what I mean by knowing the flow and direction of the hair. This step really adds that extra touch of realism and gives the hair a more dewy look. And now I'm just adding some ambient light at the back of the hair to make it look more interesting. Now I'm gonna add the extra flyaways, extra strands to make it look like I've done it for a whole 10 hours.
Hi everyone, I'm Jennie!
밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아. 관계는 깊지